Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can watch the live video on the Instagram app. First, you'll need to open your Instagram app and you can switch into another account if you have any alternative account. For now, I'm switching to my another account. Once you switch to your another account, here on the top left corner you can see the story icon. Just tap on it. Then tap on the camera option here. Then at the bottom you can see the various options. Just scroll down until and unless you don't find the live option. Now start a live video. Wait until it is getting started. There you go guys, your live video has already been started. Then here at the bottom right corner you can see the aeroplane icon. Just tap on it and you can send to any user. For now I'm sending the live video to my another account. Then tap on the send option. Then the live video has already been sent to that ID. Then on the top right corner you can see the cross icon. Just tap on it and tap on end video option. Then tap on the share option. So your live video has already been ended. Now switch into that another ID where you have seen the live video. So once you log in into the another ID, here on the message icon you can just tap on the top right corner. You can see that. Then open up the message which you have seen earlier. Here is the live video which has been sent from the another ID. Just tap on watch more option. Since the live video has already been ended, so you won't be able to see that live video, but so here you can see the live video of all other users. So you can choose anyone and you can watch the live video. So this was it guys. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe for more tutorial videos. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. Thank you.